the RSS and the BJP have made the 22nd January function a completely political Narendra Modi function. We are open to all religions, all practices. I see the India alliance placed very well in taking on the BJP in 2024. The RSS and the BJP have made the 22nd January function a completely political Narendra Modi function. It's become a RSS BJP function. And I think that is why the Congress president said that he would not go to the function. We are open to all religions, all practices. Even the authorities of the Hindu religion, the biggest authorities of the Hindu religion, have made their view public about what they think about the 22nd January function, that it is a political function, right? So it is difficult for us to go to a political function which is designed around the Prime Minister of India and designed around the RSS. We made it clear that whoever would like to visit the Ram Temple, among our partners, among our parties, is more than welcome to do it. It's difficult for us to visit on the 22nd and say that, you know, this is a Prime Minister's function, this is a RSS function, and we are going to go. It's not possible for us. I've been speaking to quite a few Naga leaders, and they are absolutely perplexed as to why no progress has been made. Frankly, we are not even clear about what the Prime Minister envisioned in terms of a solution. Nobody, I mean, it's a superficial document that says, yes, we are going to work towards peace and joint sovereignty, but it's not clear what exactly they mean. And a lot of the Naga organizations here simply don't understand what the Prime Minister was trying to do and what the way forward is. Clearly, there is a problem that needs resolution. And clearly that is a problem that will require conversation, listening to each other and working in implementing a solution. And that is lacking as far as the Prime Minister is concerned. You know, why the Prime Minister has not acted? I'm frankly the wrong person to ask that question to, because I don't know his mind, I don't know his approach. But I do get the sense that the Prime Minister promises things without thinking them through. He made many promises, to the youth of India. He made promises about education, employment, and I think he just made them. And I get the sense that people are disturbed that the Prime Minister's credibility is on the line, and nothing has happened for 9 years. We, of course, are committed to a solution to the problem over here.